The narrowing of the aortic valve, which stands at the main gate of the heart, the very point from which the circulation goes out of the heart meant for the entire body, is reasonably commonly seen, especially in the elderly population. Many of them may not be fit for the conventional open heart surgery. Transcatheter valve replacement, TAVI, has been a very good alternative for people who are not fit to undergo the conventional open heart method of valve replacement.
Transcatheter aortic valve replacement is a minimally invasive intervention procedure for aortic valve replacement without any surgical incision or a major heart operation.
In this procedure, we go through groin arteries and then we take the valve from the groin inside the diseased valve and we deploy this valve. So this is how it is done, and it is done in conscious sedation. The patient will be awake, he will be talking, he will be sedated of course, and then this procedure is done. And next day the patient is ambulatory and we can discharge the patient next day or the day after that.
The cost of TAVR or transcatheter aortic valve replacement used to be around 30 to 35 lakhs earlier, but progressively it is coming down. Now actually we can do this procedure between 15 to 20 lakhs. It may appear to be expensive, but if you look at those patients' overall complications and morbidity point of view, this treatment is really cost effective because it is a short procedure, hospital stay is only 24 to 48 hours, and there is no general anesthesia, no ventilation, no intubation, and the complication is minimal.
The last case which you will see the video, this patient went home within 48 hours and he is doing extremely well. He is a 82 years old gentleman. All our patients are more than 80 years. The previous patient had a true history of 2 episodes of syncope, and the first patient had a very bad lung with severe aortic stenosis.
I recommend that those patients who are suffering from severe aortic stenosis, aortic valve disease, having chest pain, shortness of breath, or even sudden unconsciousness should consider a catheter-based aortic valve replacement rather than a surgical aortic valve replacement.
Of valve replacement. We in Medica, in a combined exercise of both the surgical and the cardiological departments, have had a very good track record of transcatheter valve implantations. It is something that has changed the quality of life of the elderly with this apparently untreatable condition.